So after all this time, my old Crosstrek finally got a lift. My son, who's had the car now for about 3 years, just installed the Ironman 2-inch lift. So let's check it out real quick. If you're not familiar with the Ironman kit, it gives you the coilovers, a subframe spacer kit, sway bar spacer kit, and an adapter to lower the exhaust as well. And this kit is supposed to give you an estimated of 2 inches of lift all around. Took him and his buddy quite a while to install it, mostly because he had to replace his lower control arm bushings in the front. They were trashed and they had a little bit of difficulty pressing those out, but they got it figured out. When I measured the other evening when he came by, there was about 9 inches of ground clearance under the skid plate now. And if you remember from the past, I lost a significant amount of ground clearance when I put the skid plate on in stock form, and tried to remedy that with Rallytech springs. Had some success, but not completely. But now you can see there's about 9 inches under there now, which is really nice. And the rest of the car, when he came over that night, was actually over 10.7. So I'm assuming there's going to be some settling. Since you've last seen this car, we had those LEDs put on the front, and then my son put this really bright amber light on top, and kind of matches the fogs. At some point, I'm going to do a full 80,000 mile review on the car, but it'll be a while. Definitely wanted to show you the look of the car with the kit on it. I think it looks really good. There are a few little rattles going on. We're trying to figure those out. We're going to take it for a drive and see if we can find them, and his buddy's going to check it out again on Monday. But the ride is definitely stiffer. You definitely feel taller, but so far so good. We'll see if we can figure these rattles out. And then when he had it aligned, it was off in the rear about 1.5 degrees. So we'll see if we can get that remedied as well. Hopefully after some settling, he's going to take it back in and get it rechecked out. But we'll see what happens there. Anyway, stay tuned. If you want to check out more things with this car, you can follow my son on Instagram, and I'll have that up on the screen here. And he's going to be putting more stuff up. Appreciate you guys watching. Take care. See you next time.